In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to turn on Roblox safe settings for kids and teens. Let's get started. With the latest changes, Roblox now uses age-based systems like Kids and Select Account, which automatically apply safety rules depending on the user's age, including content limits and chat restrictions. First, launch your Roblox app. Now navigate to Settings. Then head over to the section Parental Controls. If you are a parent, make sure you have linked your account to your child's account because that's required to manage all safety settings. Once you are inside, start with Content Restrictions. Tap on it and choose a content maturity level that's appropriate. This controls what types of games your child can access, from minimal content to more moderate experiences. Next, head over to Communication Settings. Here you can control who your child can chat with or even disable chat completely. For younger users, especially under 9, chat is turned off by default in the new system, while older teens have limited communication based on age groups. You can also manage things like who can join them in games or send messages. After that, check spending controls. You can set a monthly limit so there are no unexpected purchases, and you will even get notifications if spending gets too high. Then go to Screen Time Settings, where you can limit how long your child can play each day, helping maintain a healthy balance. Another useful feature is game blocking and approvals. Parents can block specific games or approve access manually, giving more control over what kids can play. And remember, if your child has not completed age verification yet, their account will automatically stay in a more restricted mode with limited content and no communication until it's verified. And that's it. Once you have enabled these settings, your Roblox account will be much safer and better controlled for kids and teens. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.